Alright, in today's video we're just going to go over briefly a small section of a home installation. We'll be creating more and more videos on more in-depth how-tos showing and explaining in better depth. So you definitely need a speed square and a pencil, essential because you've been doing a lot of marking. The speed square makes sure that your angles are really nice and tight and ensures the best installation possible for the customer. You're going to want left and right tin snips to get into all the different angles to make a clean cut on your track, especially for your 90-degree corners. Having both is very essential. Here we have the guys just cutting down some canted track. It's better fit for standard. Sometimes you have this, and this little DeWalt tool is amazing. That just plugs right into your impact. You can cut down sheet metal with. You're always going to make the cuts and dry fit them to make sure everything looks good and the lights fit before you pop them in and run your wiring. Now it's essential we waterproof every single connection point. And it's not the cheapest, it's not the fastest, but it's best for system longevity. Now jumps, you're going to have to transition from one roof line to another, and this is what a jump is to make sure that you can continually run the lights and the wiring. And you got to make it, very discreet so that it looks nice and has a nice finish, so you can't really tell where the wire is coming from. Now securing the track, aluminum typically will have a wing clip that you can slip into one side of the aluminum fascia, and then on the other side you just can screw it into the aluminum, and they hold really, really well. On here, this is a slanted soffit, so it doesn't sit right. If you were to put it right flat against the soffit, your lights are going to be pointing back towards the house. So what the crew is going to do is take a really long screw. We have 2.5, 3.5 inch screws. We're going to put it through the face. It's long enough to go up in and secure to that soffit, and then put the lights at the right angle so they're not hidden. And then painting the screws, nice little high-end touches and finishes are going to make the job just look that much better. This is not a cheap system. People are paying good money for it, and so we want to do everything we can to make sure that their money is reflected, that it's been well spent, and it's not a junky install. Thanks for watching, guys. We are going to be putting out more in-depth, better training with step-by-step, better footage. So just hang tight for that, but thanks.